juice and 1 lemon. Switch that off now, and then turn our attention to our fish. And at this stage, you basically just want to peel off the skin from the haddock and the cod, keep it into sort of decent sized chunks, pop it in the sauce. It's quite funny this as I cook this. Smoked haddock was one of the only dishes that my granddad was allowed to cook. Mainly because we use 1 pan. Whenever I sort of do this, it just reminds me so much of my granddad. Add lots of parsley, including the stalks, into this mixture, and stir. Gently though, you don't want to break up those delicate chunks of fish. Now the sauce is ready for one of my favourite ingredients, frozen peeled prawns. Defrost it, make sure the water's squeezed out of them.